Hey everyone, my name is Michael and today we're diving into fascinating world of Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. In this video, we will explore how Ethereum climbed such a prominent position in the crypto market and the ideas and technologies that underpin its success. Why is it important to watch this video? Ethereum isn't just a digital currency, it's a whole platform for creating decentralized applications that have the potential to revolutionize finance and beyond. We will cover key moments in its history, the technology behind smart contracts, and how these innovations have shaped blockchain development. Make sure to watch this video all the way through because you will discover how Ethereum has changed the game for digital assets and what lies ahead for its future. Ready to explore the world of Ethereum? So let's start. Bitcoin is the leading cryptocurrency globally with an inspiring journey from its white paper inception to becoming a billion-dollar economy. However, the Bitcoin community faces various issues such as scalability and decentralization challenges. These problems create opportunities for new development teams to introduce their own blockchains and digital assets. Before Ethereum's emergence, other cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Ripple, and Mastercoin already existed. Each new crypto project had unique goals and methods for achieving them. In 2015, investor interest in Bitcoin and altcoins surged, leading to the ICO boom. This was also the year the Ethereum project launched, arriving at just the right moment. Vitalik Buterin, the founder of the Ethereum platform, was born in Russia in 1994. The mid-90s were a challenging time in Russia, prompting his father, a computer scientist, to seek opportunities to emigrate. At 6 years old, Vitalik moved with his parents to Canada. From a young age, Vitalik was recognized as a math prodigy. He attended a class for gifted children in his elementary school in Toronto. In 2011, Vitalik discovered Bitcoin. At just 17, he co-founded Bitcoin magazine, which gave him the opportunity to engage directly with Bitcoin developers. While working on various Bitcoin projects, Vitalik had the idea to use the Bitcoin blockchain for more than just financial transactions. He realized that the Bitcoin network was too limited to achieve his broader vision. Consequently, he decided to create a new protocol based on the fundamental principles of Satoshi Nakamoto. Vitalik needed to develop a new programming language that would allow anyone to implement any conceivable project without having to build separate infrastructure for each one. This innovation became the foundation of the Ethereum platform. If you liked learning about Ethereum, guys, click the like button. Your support helps us bring more easy-to-understand insights about cryptocurrencies. Buterin assembled the future team members by inviting anyone interested to email him and share their ideas. Today, these names are well known in the crypto world: Jeffrey Wilk, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony DeLorio, and Mihai Elisi. Each brought their unique insights and expertise, enriching the initial vision of Ethereum as a groundbreaking system. In July 2015, the team launched Ethereum along with its own digital currency, Ether. Within just 2 years, Ether's value soared by over 13,000%. Like Bitcoin, the Ethereum blockchain was initially secured through proof-of-work cryptography and consensus via the Nakamoto consensus. When you send USDT ERC20 tokens with the Ethereum network, you have to pay transaction fees similar to the Bitcoin network. These fees, known as gas, are paid in Ether, Ethereum's cryptocurrency. Gas fees not only compensate miners but also help mitigate spam and allocate resources on the network efficiently. Ethereum is a cryptographic ledger that allows people to create various projects and decentralized applications, dApps. One of its primary uses is issuing digital currencies. Creating a new token can take just 1 to 2 hours instead of months or years. We know who truly benefited from working with Ethereum: Tether. Initially in 2014, USDT was launched on Bitcoin blockchain via the Omni protocol. A few years later, in 2017, Tether began issuing USDT as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. This move quickly gained popularity, especially on cryptocurrency exchanges due to the relatively lower transaction fees compared to Omni. Just 2 years later, in 2019, Tether expanded the issuance of USDT to the Tron blockchain using the TRC20 token standard. These strategic steps have allowed Tether to increase the accessibility and functionality of USDT, providing users with various options for using the stablecoin across different blockchain ecosystems. As for me, I bought my first Ethereum using a debit card through a payment service in order to send USDT. I didn't initially plan to invest in Ethereum as I was new to crypto. However, when I checked my Ethereum balance a month later, I saw that the price of Ethereum had increased. What a great deal, guys! Lucky me, who would have thought a spontaneous decision could turn out to be such a smart investment. Sometimes taking a leap of faith really pays off. A key difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin was Ethereum's use of smart contracts. Ethereum features a built-in Turing-complete scripting language which developers use to code smart contracts. These contracts act as autonomous agents performing a wide range of functions. Here is an example of a smart contract in action. Mr. Smith and Mr. Johnson place bets on the outcome of the World Cup final, each putting 1,000 USDT into the system. After the final, the system checks the game score via the web and automatically sends the funds to the winner of the bet. This demonstrates the concept of programmable digital money. Smart contracts can transfer funds to a person when specific conditions are met, all without any middleman. This level of automation and trust is not possible with Bitcoin. In July 2016, Ethereum underwent a hot fork, splitting into Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. This occurred because of a significant hack on the DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization built in Ethereum. The Ethereum community was divided on how to respond, with some advocating for a rollback of the blockchain to reverse the hack, while others believed in maintaining the integrity of the blockchain by keeping it unchanged. This disagreement led to the creation of two separate blockchains, Ethereum, which implemented the rollback, and Ethereum Classic, which continued on the original blockchain. Feel free to comment below, guys, and share your thoughts on Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. Which of these two do you consider the true Ethereum? We're eager to hear from you and delve into discussion about these cryptocurrencies. Your input drives the conversation forward. Ethereum, originally secured through proof of work, transitioned to proof of stake consensus mechanism to address scalability, energy consumption, and security concerns. This shift, known as the merge, was a significant milestone in the evolution of the Ethereum network. Under POW, miners competed to solve complex mathematical puzzles consuming large amounts of energy. POS, on the other hand, relies on validators who lock up or stake their Ether as collateral. These validators are then chosen to create new blocks and validate transactions based on the amount of Ethereum they have staked and the duration of their stake. The merge was completed in September 2022, marking the official switch from POW to POS. The crypto community greeted the milestone with a mix of excitement and optimism. Many celebrated the successful transition, recognizing it as a significant technological achievement that addressed Ethereum's energy consumption concerns and improve its scalability and security. Developers and investors were particularly enthusiastic about the enhanced efficiency and the potential for future upgrades like sharding, which could further increase transaction speeds and reduce costs. The shift to POS also attracted positive attention from environmentally conscious users, as it significantly reduced the network's carbon footprint. However, some community members expressed concerns about centralization risks and the long-term implications of the POS model. Despite these debates, the overall sentiment was largely positive, with many seeing the merge as a crucial step forward in Ethereum's evolution and its role in the broader blockchain ecosystem. Curious about Ethereum's remarkable price journey, guys? It's truly one of the most fascinating aspects of Ethereum. Stories abound of people becoming wealthy by buying Ether for mere cents in its early days. After Ether's first all-time high in 2017, it provided another opportunity to get rich in 2020 when prices dropped to below 100. Then in 2021, it soared to its current ATH, which remains unbeaten in this bullish market cycle. Let's dive into details. So what about the price history of Ethereum? Looking at Ethereum's price history is like witnessing the evolution of a powerhouse in the crypto world. Back in 2015, it was trading for a mere $0.42 per coin, reflecting its early days and the skepticism around digital currencies. Fast forward to November 2021, Ethereum hit an all-time high of $4,900, marking a phenomenal journey of growth and adoption. This staggering increase of over 826,916% highlights Ethereum's role not just as a cryptocurrency, but as a platform that will revolutionize how decentralized applications are built and utilized. Whether you're an investor, developer, or simply intrigued by the blockchain technology, Ethereum's rise showcases its resilience and potential in the ever-changing landscapes of digital assets. Join my Telegram group created for crypto enthusiasts like yourself. Inside, you will find exclusive content including insider information, valuable tips, and the latest updates on blockchain and cryptocurrency. Click the link to join and elevate your crypto journey. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. That has been Michael with you. Don't forget to hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button to receive notifications for our latest videos. Subscribe to the channel for more insights into the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. And see you next time. Michael was with you. Bye.